Alright, so Eli Creek, it's our day 2 here at Fraser Island. We came here yesterday, actually came up the beach yesterday, up to Indian Point, but the weather was just pretty foul. It was raining. It's still very blowy today, but the sun's sort of partly out, and today's our day to do it, so we're doing it. It's cold, isn't it?
Yep.
But we're going to do it.
Yep,
Alright, let's go. You ready? Yep. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of current. That goes. How clear's the water?
Yeah, very clear.
Might bottom out a bit. Very pleasant. Oh, I just hit a warm patch then. Was that you, dear?
No, that was earlier.
Probably can't hear because of the wind, but I've had 2 runs. That's enough now. Just back to the car. There's tons of people here. So it's our last day here. We've got half a day left before we have to catch the barge this afternoon. We've come back to Lake Mackenzie because we came here on the morning of the first day and it was horribly windy and rainy. There was no one here, which was great, but it really wasn't a place to hang out. So we're back today and it's still a little bit windy. It's still overcast, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. We're going to spend a few hours here and just soak it up before we have to head back for the barge. A very popular spot. We've sort of come down the end here to get a little bit out of the wind and away from everybody. But yeah, Lake Mackenzie, check it out. Whew, she's a bit brisk. In you go, dear. Don't.
What?
We'll come back to haunt you. Go. Go. All right. Sandra's chicken. I'm gonna go. Here we go. It's all right, won't be. Water on my nose. It's refreshing.
It's refreshing.